I would just like to reiterate po na yung if you're looking for a dermatologist, yung nire-recognize po na Society for Dermatologists is yung PDS or your Philippine Dermatological Society. So only trust your PDS board certified po na dermatologist. And as for our society, again, our stand po talaga is we do not promote the use of IV glutathione for skin whitening. So, with regards po sa mga aesthetics, be careful din po to make sure that they are really mga doctors po talaga yung gumagawa. Because currently po, as far as we know, madami po talaga mga aesthetic clinics who are not medical practitioners. So before availing of their procedures, of their treatment, make sure to be vigilant to check if they are really medical practitioners. So if you want scientific po talaga na treatment, it's best to consult with your PDS certified dermatologist.